To connect your DVM2130 for use by the PCS Field Data Collector app on your iOS device, first, launch the PCS FDC app. When the PCS Field Data Collector app opens, press the Gear button on the left-hand side to open the Settings screen. On the Settings screen, press the Connections button. On the Connections screen, press the DVM button. You should see your DVM2130 populate in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Press the Connect button next to your device. You may want to verify your DVM2130's connection to the PCS Field Data Collector app. To do so, press the DVM button. A voltage measurement displayed on the screen indicates successful connection of the DVM to the app.